Kungkup Choktong sa second page यानी page number 50 अभी go continue lamat bam अभी paragraph पर go read much I'll read the paragraph you just follow okay I'll read and explain it line by line Surong chuthuk re pumtong yemtong tar wambu chuthuk goma una sigdum pubarka atim kumor thopong silver numfa numfa pong yugwammo surang chuthuk re pumtong yemtong tar wambu chuthuk goma. So nowadays or these days or this era, this century is very advanced century, okay, a very advanced stage ga una sigdum pubar la atim kumor tha linbure. So because of this advanced technology along scientific age ngunwung sa tönn mat bare shumunyam ga sigdum pubare shumuninga fact kumor tha linbure factories and in the industries, okay, big factories, industries unangara silver numfa linbure aircraft unangara numfa linbure anaka sea shulishanga sea craft along unka lom sibu tgliang ka lom sibu are gunla zuk thambu niwambu ga along sofium un mikan nun blenwung non detma numfa un pumtong yumton sa tarvot sa lep ka ait ka num yel birtlung non detma. So because of advanced technology ga science and technology abishum gunam ga arena it is harming our clean environment ga pumtam yenton sa tarvot sa lep ka ait sa num yeltong birtlung non linbure it is polluting our nature. Sofium un mikanun blendlung non detma linbure along kaisa environment clean environment reshimungunam ga agyabdo abi disturbance agyabdo pollution unang kare arinang ka kaisa abi earth kare shimungunam di agyabdo cloudy agyabdo polluted kun thambu nivam ga kayusa varto achong sasala mochom ne. So because of this pollution kaisa varta kaisa environment la along clean no more clean environment are exist ga are jong jupto lom nu la punjok kungbong nundo yop matna khye khutcho. So are jong jupto lom nu la punjok kungbong nundo yop matna khye khutcho. So are jong butong jupto are jong butong condition lom nu kala along somehow trees are helping us trees are helping to keep the environment clean go alumat gye bu munin gong nimsim new sa agit ya tong sibu ke munine. So alomat nang kare gye bu munin gong if trees are not there to help us then shimunguncho because of trees, okay, human beings are surviving in this world, in this earth, polluted earth. Ga along kare if trees are not there, if the fresh environment are not there, clean environment are not there, then abide shimumuninga the life expectancy of human being is very less. Ga anaka human being will not be existing in this earth ga alomananga kung punjok sa are jongbu khok chim un timchuk to ni gorungla sigdum sa stet lyang pongka muro sa chu front both sa lyangka punjok kungbong pong cheknu punjok tongbu nong wambu sisho. Along we can see how these trees are important for the surviving of each and every creature in this earth. But still, human being, they destroy the forest. They cut the trees and they destroy the forest. They do deforestation. They burn the forest ga aloma nangkare punjok mong la tonglung non det ma are samutang yok nanga namsim nyu sa namsim nyu nan ayok ka je thap machibu kungbong punjok mon la tonglung non det mo. So because people are destroying the forest, okay. We are losing medicines, okay, and we are losing the quantity of timber that we get from the forest. Unukare ubiteka bamboo lep ka punjok ka itnu ubasa aryam zugvambu for you fooding, and on top of that people are exploiting. They are destroying the flora, fauna of the jungle, of the forest. Go Thamjung, Rimjung, Thambu, Thambik, Tamblyok, Pong, Ya Fatlung, non that more. So, people, human beings are not only destroying the trees, not only destroying the green vegetations, they are destroying green vegetation as well as the beauty of the nature. Okay, beauty including shumamacho abi flora, fauna, unankare abi teka beautiful creatures in the forest go thambuk insects and butterflies, all those other beautiful creatures which exist in the forest ga are song gunarem shumacha exploitation abi matvam are se no tong re nimsim nyu nun chok gat show. So are se no tong re are when we destroy something, then we have to face the problem, okay. Are se are alomananga koinanga destroy matlong nong bare are destroy mun ba koinanga, we have to face the result, okay. Human being only have to face the result. Arenun mat ba lyang sigdum pubarla kungkup chok sibu un punjok ye sibu yuk ngunvamo. So are result is a result. When we destroy forest, then we have to face so many harmful effect of the destructions of the forest. Then arerim reshu macho we can abi reshu mat shumu mat khacholeng compensate the destruction by planting the saplings, okay, planting lots of the saplings. So arening kare abi compensate lamat khacho, whatever we destroy we can compensate it back by planting the millions of saplings, okay, so many saplings. Thang do kungbong pong kayu sa tyol jong gum are do sa gyelut un pharlut ka kayu sala tarvut ni ryumtong nima. So abishuliam ga thang do kungbong pong re kayu sa tyol jong gum. So trees are really a friend for us. Our friend. Trees are our friend. Are those gyelut un pharlut ka kayu sa tarvut nima. So if we protect, preserve and conserve the trees, then it is good for us, okay, good for all the living creatures, okay. Kayunun aring kat myon ka are huyu sala asom abum nimu. So one most important thing that we should not forget is those trees also respire, they also breathe, okay, they also take air, okay. So arere shubuliyam ga kung sala, they also have a life like human being and the other living creature have, okay. So it is like that. So we need to protect the forest, we need to plant more saplings. So in order to balance the ecosystem ka macho in ecosystem ko isa shumune human being or living creatures, they depend upon each other, and the trees as well as trees depend upon the living creatures depend upon the trees to survive. So abhi shumacho, so for the balancing, okay, balancing of ecosystem kuina gashumacho, human beings have lot of needs, okay. So natures are, helping them to fulfill their needs. So orekare shumat gacho, it is human beings duty to plant more saplings and to just we can compensate the loss of the forest, loss of the nature, okay. So this is the lesson that we need to plant more saplings ga abhi to go are chapter abhi end macho. So go, I'll be sending you the notes in the study materials, okay. Thank you. See you again.